President of the Republic of Azerbaijan Ilham Aliyev has today viewed construction progress at SOCAR's carbamide plant in Sumgayit. SOCAR President Ravnak Abdullayev, Director of the plant Khayal Jafarov, and Project Manager on behalf of Samsung Engineering Han-Soo Kim informed the Head of State of the construction work. The foundation of the plant was laid by the President of Azerbaijan in December 2011. Samsung Engineering Co. Ltd. won an international open tender to provide engineering, procurement, construction, and pre-commissioning services for the plant. The plant will have a capacity to produce 1,200 tons of ammonia per day and 2,000 tons of urea per day. The President was also informed of the project to build a gas supply system under Sumgayit Industrial Zone Development Plan. President Ilham Aliyev toured the plant and viewed construction progress. The plant will create up to 400 permanent jobs. The total cost of the project is 750 million euros. The plant will play a key role in strengthening Azerbaijan's economy, increasing the country's export potential, and boosting its non-oil sector.